Hey gang, this is Matthew, Florida Boy. I just wanted to come on and give everybody a quick update on what's going on with my channel. You know that we're moving into summertime now, and I usually kind of pare down my videos a little bit because, you know, in Central Florida, it's too hot to go out there, you know, and I ain't spring chicken no more. I ain't 22 no more. I am 62 now. And I just read that the main cause of injury in older men is them thinking that they are younger men. And I don't want that to happen. So as we move into summer, I'm going to be slowing down my upload schedule a little bit. As I said, I'm getting older now. You know, there's no participation trophy for me going out into the woods and dying of heat stroke. You guys don't want to see that. You know, a lot of the country, and especially the southeast, you know, we haven't got our afternoon thunderstorms yet, and it's like May the 8th now, and we're in a huge drought. My yard's all dead and everything, and you can't go out in the woods. We're under red flag fire warnings for the multiple counties in Central Florida. And you know, one mistake on a Canteen Cup Tuesday when I'm cooking with alcohol fuel, and the whole place will go up like a matchstick. They'll mail me in a bill for $750,000 for fire, you know, to put out all the fire and everything. And that's just not what I want to do. I don't want to burn down my swamp, you know. So what we're doing is it's not smart for me to be out there playing with fire. And really, when the heat gets into the mid and upper 90s, you know, when you go back in the swamp and the humidity gets back there, it's actually hotter back in the swamp and in the shade. And if you get out in them palmetto flats in the bright sunlight, it's like 110, 115 degrees out there, and you'll literally burn up. There's not enough water that I could bring with me, water and electrolyte stuff that I could bring with me to make me not have a heat stroke. So it's bordering on the dangerous. Usually I wait until about the 1st of June, but it's pretty hot now. And I don't like doing videos that describe wood stuff when I'm not out in the woods. You know, if I'm going to do a Canteen Cup Tuesday, I want to be way out there cooking like you would do if you were hiking or you were camping and stuff. And I'm not just going to turn out fluff videos. You know, the guys with 100,000 subscribers, 500,000 subscribers, 1 million subscribers, they have to keep pumping out videos every week, a couple times a week, you know, because they got sponsors that demand deliverables on their content, and they're getting paid by sponsors. A lot of them have websites where they're selling all of their equipment and branded equipment and all that kind of jazz, and they have to put out content. And you know, those guys are getting paid. I don't think they're very happy, but we're gonna see. I keep looking down because I got my notes down here. So I don't want to put out fluff video. If I post something, it means I ran up on something, some kind of gear hack or gear modification, like the Flex Seal video. That was a really, really cool one. I actually got a comment on that video from the Flex Seal guys. And I'm like, hey, maybe they'll send me some more Flex Seal. But I try to put out videos that have practical use, you know. And summer, now I'm going to do some videos about hurricane preparations because I am right in East Central Florida, and if we have a big one this year, we're going to get decked. Maybe some videos, a video or so about how to stay cool in the summertime. You know, hurricane preparation videos, stuff like that. Maybe getting my 4Runner ready for some car camping trips when it gets cooler. But I don't want to put out fluff videos. When I put out a video, it's something that I think is valid, and it's something that I think that you're going to use. Okay? That does not mean this channel is going away. This channel will never go away. You know, I've been doing this for 11 years now, and I'm a little fish. I got 24,000 subscribers. I don't have 100,000, 500,000, million. You know, that's great. But this channel is not going to go away because I'm retired now. I'm collecting Social Security now, and this is just supplemental income for me. Plus, it's fun making videos, and it's fun answering questions. You know, not everybody agrees with me, you know, but that's fine. This is a forum. You're not supposed to agree with everything that I say. If you have a valid point, hey, I didn't invent everything. I'm just making it up as I go along. Now, I may back off into some, maybe like a live, like a YouTube live once a week or so, where you guys come on and we could talk about stuff, or, you know, talk about whatever you want to talk about. I haven't done a live for a while. If you guys would like to see a live feed, just, you know what to do. Leave a comment down there, you know, and leave me a big thumbs up on the video too. But we're going to roll through the summertime, and with a kind of a condensed schedule. There's not going to be as many videos. You know, I was rocking it out in February, and I did a ton of videos in March. I had a lot to say, I guess. In April, I did some pretty good videos. In May, I really haven't done too much, you know, because it's getting kind of hot. But as soon as the weather gets more favorable and a little bit cooler, and that's usually around the 1st of October, okay? So we've got, what, May, June, July, September. We got 4 months, okay? I'm not going to be uploading too much for the next 4 months, okay? Once the weather cools down, I'm going to get back out in the field. I have some really, really cool plans for some stuff that I want to do at the oak camp to kind of spruce that up and make it kind of like a bug out location. You know, y'all know what I think about bugging out. Yeah, that's not high on my list. I want to say that I appreciate everybody who watches the videos on my channel. I appreciate every single one of the subscribers to my channel. And rather than give you a bunch of lower quality and lower content videos, I'd like to save it for something relevant. You know what I'm talking about? I'm not just gonna show you the 112th way to tie a bowline knot, or for the 750th time how to make an A-frame tarp, or for the 512th time what my 5 favorite bushcraft knives are. I'm not gonna put out garbage like that. But besides sweating to death in Florida heat, and guys, it is hot out here. It's 88 degrees on my workbench, and I got the fan on, and you can probably hear my air conditioner running behind me to keep the house at 80 degrees. It is getting hot. So I just wanted to come on and say thanks for sticking with me. When you see me put out a video, it's because I think it's relevant and I have something to say. I'm not going to put out fluff videos. So once again, if you like this video and you want to see more like it, you know what to do. Go down, hit the subscribe button, give me a big thumbs up on the video, and leave me a comment down below on what you think about doing some regular live feeds from my garage. You know, it's a lot cooler and we can talk about a lot of stuff. So let me know what you think about that. And once again, this is Matt the Old Floor Boy, and I will see you on the trail.